Now the topic before us is Python assignment operators explained. In Python, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. What it means? It means that suppose we create a variable A and we assign value to it. So this is assignment operator equal to. Besides the assignment operator equal to, Python also includes augmented assignment operators. Augmented assignment operators combine an assignment with an operation like addition, subtraction, etc. It means that in addition to is equal to, there can be addition, there can be subtraction, there can be multiplication. We will understand all these assignment operators later on. The assignment operators modify the existing value of a variable based on the specified operation. That is what type of symbols are or operators are there. On the basis of that, the value of the variable will change. The augment can imply increase in programming. The augment means increase, but in case of programming, but in programming, it is often used more generally to mean modify or change a value. In normal English words, or when we use English dictionary and we find the word augment, it means to increase something. But when we are using the same term augment in case of programming, then it means mostly to modify something or to change a value. Now we will discuss what are the various types of assignment operators. The various types of assignment operators are basic assignment operator equal to addition assignment operator subtraction assignment operator. Here we are using plus is equal to minus is equal to, that is addition and subtraction symbol is being used before is equal to. Next is multiplication assignment operator. Here we are using star or asterisk symbol before is equal to. Division assignment operator. Then floor division assignment operator. 2 backslash and is equal to. Then modulo assignment operator. It is something like percentage is equal to, which we use. And next is exponentiation modulo operator. It is like 2 asterisks, 2 stars is equal to, it means raised to the power. Now we will discuss each of these operators one by one. Now the first is basic assignment operator. Basic assignment operator is equal to. What it does? Basic assignment operator assigns a value to a variable. Suppose if we write a and on the right hand side we write 10. So this assignment operator is equal to is assigning a value to a variable. If we write x is equal to hello. So hello is the value which has been assigned to the variable x by the basic assignment operator is equal to. Next is addition assignment operator. This is the addition assignment operator. Plus is equal to. Suppose a is 7 and now we write a plus is equal to 7. So this is the addition assignment operator. And now if we use print a, what will be the output? This addition assignment operator adds the value which is written on the right hand side to the value of the variable. That is, it means a is equal to a plus 7. That is, the value written on the right hand side will be added to the variable a plus 7. So what will be the output? A plus 7, 7 plus 7, the output will be 14. Next is subtraction assignment operator. What it means? It means suppose a is 7. Now we write a subtraction assignment operator 7 and now we use print function print a. What will be the output? Now this value which is after subtraction assignment operator will be subtracted from the variable. That is, it means it becomes a is equal to a minus 7. A minus 7 is 7 minus 7. 7 is this a, value of a is 7. This 7 is this. 7 minus 7, output is 0. Next is multiplication assignment operator. This is of two, there are two symbols. First one is asterisk is equal to, that is star is equal to this. Here suppose we assume a is equal to 7. Now we use asterisk symbol or star symbol is equal to 5 and we use print function print a. What it will result into? So this multiplication assignment operator will multiply the variable with the value written on the left hand side. That is, a will become 7 into 5. So what will be the output? 35. That is, the value written on the right hand side will be multiplied with the variable or with the value contained in the variable a. So division assignment operator. Suppose a is 7. Now we write a division assignment operator 2. So if we use print function print a, what will be the output? Here what is a? After division assignment operator, it means a is to be divided by 2. That is, the value written after the division assignment operator will be used to divide the divide the value contained in the variable. So it will become 7 divided by 2 and the answer will be or output will be 3.5. So here now comes floor division assignment operator. This is floor division assignment operator. If we write a is equal to 7 and then write a floor division is equal to 2, now we use print, what will be the output? So it will result into a is equal to a floor divided floor division 2. Floor division discards any remainder. It means a is to be divided by 2. So what is the remainder? It is 1. It discards this remainder and gives you the whole number result, that is 3. So the output is 3. Here the remainder, here in this case is 1. It will be ignored or discarded. Now modulo assignment operator. This is modulo assignment operator. This is just like a percentage symbol which is there on the keyboard and then equal to. Here suppose A is equal to 7. Now A modulo is equal to 2. A is the variable. This is the modulo. This is the equal assignment operator and 2 is the divisor. Here A will be equal to A modulo 2. Now here what will be the 7 modulo 2? Here again 7 is to be divided by 2. So it takes into consideration the remainder. Modulo operation returns the remainder. Here in this case the remainder is 1. If we take suppose 10 modulo 2, the remainder will be 0. So in case of 10 modulo 2, the remainder will be 0. But in case of here, the remainder is 1. So the output is 1. Then is exponentiation assignment operator. Exponentiation or exponent means raised to the power is equal to. Suppose A is equal to 2. And now we write A exponentiation or exponents, we write it star symbol twice, then write is equal to 3. This exponentiation assignment operator has been used. Now here what will happen? A is equal to A raised to power 3. So in this case A is 2 raised to power 3, it will become 8. So what is here output? It will be 8. That is here A will be raised to the power 3. That is what is written here. On the left hand side, it will be used as power, raised to power. And it will be written on the value contained on the variable. It will be raised to the power what is written on the right hand side of the exponentiation assignment operator. Bitwise assignment operators. These operators combine the functionality of bitwise operators and assignment operators. Some common bitwise assignment operators are bitwise and assignment. Next is bitwise or assignment. Third is bitwise XOR assignment operator. Next is bitwise left shift assignment. And fifth is bitwise right shift assignment. These assignment operators which we have discussed are less used in comparison to arithmetic operators in Python programming. However, they are very useful for low level programming tasks. Now we will do practice of these assignment operators on. Now we will do the practice of assignment operators on Visual Studio Code. Here we write a is equal to 5. Here we have created a variable a and the value contained in it is 5. We use the print function print a and we get the output and it is here it is 5. Suppose we write 5 is equal to a and then we use print function print 5. Now we see what happens. Here it is a syntax error. Why it has happened that it is a syntax error? Because when we created a is equal to 5, a was a variable and 5 was the value which was contained in the variable. A is a container. A is just like a container in which milk has been put or in which 5 has been put. Here 5 is like a milk and A is the container. So we cannot, the container has to be on the left side and the value has to be on the right side. When we are writing 5 on the left hand side, it means that 5 is a container, 5 is a variable and we are putting A into it. That is, we are putting container into the milk. So it is wrong. So that is why it is a syntax error. So now we now do other. So now if we write A is equal to 7 and now we revise the value of a plus 7 and now we use print function print a. So now what happens? What will be the output? We have revised the value of a by 7, that is 7 plus 7. So let us see the output. It is 14 because here we had revised the value. So now again we use a addition assignment 5. Now we use print function print a. Now what we have done, we use hashtag a is equal to a plus 5. That is the value of a has been increased by 5. What is the value of a which we have so far? 14. So what will be the answer? Value of a will be now 15, 19. So it is 19. So now if we use a minus is equal to 5, that is a subtraction assignment 5 and now we use print a. So now what will happen? Now a is equal to a minus 5. So what is the value of a which is available with us? It is 19. So 19 will be there and 5 will be deducted from it and the output will be 14. So now we use a multiply is equal to multiplication assignment 5. Now we use print a. So now what will happen? A is equal to a multiplied by 5. So what is the value of a? It is 14. 14 will be multiplied by 5. So now let us see, output is 70. So now we use a. Now we use division is equal to 7. Division assignment operator here has been used. Now we use print function a. What is the value of a? Here what it means? It means that a is equal to a divided by 7. So what will be the output? Here it will be 10.0. When we use division operator, it gives us a output in floating value. So now if we have a is equal to 43 and we use float division is equal to 2. So now we use print function a. Print a. What is the output? In case of float division, it gives us the result in whole number and the remainder is to be ignored. So what is the value of a? It is 10. 10 is to be divided by 2. So no, here the value of a is given 43. So 43 has been divided by 2. So here it is 21. When we divide 43 by 2, remainder is 1, we ignore 1. Suppose if we write a raised to power, suppose we write a is equal to 2 and then we write a raised to power is equal to 2. Then we use print a. What it means? It means that a is equal to a raised to power 2. That is, here a is given 2 raised to power 2, it means it is 4. So here you will see that it is 4. So from this you can see that we have used all the assignment operators such as addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, float division assignment and exponential assignment, as well as the basic assignment operator, that is equal to. From this you have observed how these assignment operators how they actually behave on code editor. Normally we give one assignment at a time, that is we write a is equal to 5, a is equal to 7, but there can be more than one assignment in this line, such as a, b, c is equal to 5, 6, 7, and now we use print function print a, b, c. So now let us see output. Here you can see the output is 5, 6, 7. That is, though we have mentioned the values in seriatim, the same has been output. We have assigned the values to many variables at a single line, in a single line. At one time, in one line, we have assigned various values. Now we take another a, b is equal to 4, 3. That is, we have assigned the value 4 to variable a and b variable has the value 3. Now we write c is equal to a plus b. It means that the value of c is a plus b. In other words, what it means? It means whatever we are writing in green color, it is not being taken into consideration by the Python interpreter. It is only for our record or for our understanding the concept. C is equal to a plus b, it means it is 7. If we write a addition assignment 2, what it means? It means that a is equal to a plus 2. We have increased the value of a by 2. In other words, now the value of a is equal to, earlier it was 4. It has been increased by 2. Now it is 6. Now we write C addition assignment A. What it means? It means that C is now equal to C plus A. In other words, it means C is equal to C plus A. Earlier C was 7 and A was 6. 7 plus 6, it is 13. Now we print C. What is the value of C? You will find that what we have arrived at 13, it is the same value. Whatever, as already told, whatever we had written in green color after the hashtag, the Python interpreter did not record it did not takes that into consideration. We write many commands, write many lines. We change the value of c, we change the value of a, but we give the command one time print c. But while interpreting the value of c, the interpreter took into consideration all the changes which we have made into c, the value of c or a. Now we write c division assignment a, and now we use print c. What is the output? You will find that it is 2.1666665. What it means? It means that c is equal to c divided by a. Here, while 13 has been divided by 6, it gives the output in floating value. Now we do the float division assignment. Now we take same values again. We repeat it, the values, we copy it. So here again before us is the value 13. Value of c is 13. Now we use float division is equal to a. Now we use print function. So now what is before us? Now you will find that it is 2. Why it is so? Because in case of float division, what has happened? C is divided by a. That is 13 is divided by 6. But it gives us the result in whole number and the remainder is ignored. When we divide 13 by 6, it means 6 into 2, 12, remainder 1. We here take into consideration only 2. The output is only 2. The Python interpreter, while interpreting the float division, takes into consideration only the result in whole number and remainder ignored. So from this practical, we have assigned the value to a variable. We have used addition assignment, subtraction assignment, then multiplication assignment, division assignment, float division assignment, exponentiation assignment. So you have seen all the assignment operators in action, how they behave in actual, how the output is we can get on the code editor, or how the Python interpreter interprets all these assignment operators in actual. Now we will do practice questions for assignment operators. Here some questions are given. We will solve that. First is x is equal to 5. X addition assignment is equal to 6. Print x. What will be the value of x after executing the code? So this is the addition assignment operator. So here we will solve it. X plus is equal to 6 means x is equal to x plus 6. So what is the value of x which has been given to us? It is 5. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So print x, the output will be 11. Next is determine the final value of y. Y is 20. Y subtraction assignment 14. Print y. So now what is subtraction assignment? This is what it means. It means y is equal to y minus 14. So what is the value of y? that is what is the value which is contained in the variable y. It is 20. 20 minus 14, so the answer is 6. So this is 6. Next, calculate the result of z. Z is equal to 8. Z multiplication assignment is equal multiplication assignment to print z. So here it is multiplication, it is 2. It means z is equal to z into 2. What is the value of z? It is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So what is the output? It is 16. Next is find the value of a after executing the code. A is equal to 15. A divided a division assignment 5, print a. So it is given. It means a is equal to a divided by 5 is equal to 15 divided by 5, because value of a is 15. So we have written here 15. 15 divided by 5. So here the answer will be 3.0, because in Python division, this is the division symbol. Division symbol always results in a floating point number, even if the result is in whole number. Here the result is in whole number, that is the result is 3. However, the division operator or will always result into floating point number, floating point value in Python. Next is find the value of C, final value of C. C float division assignment 8. So here it is given. It means C is equal to C float division 8. So here what is done? Here the C is to be divided by 8. C is 10. It is to be divided by 8. So here in case of float division, remainder is discarded. And what is written comes here is taken into consideration, or this is the output. Output is 1. Find the value of A after executing the code. A is equal to 15. A multiplication assignment to print A. What is given? A raised to power. It is exponentiation, not a single asterisk sign. It is a double asterisk sign. It means A raised to power. A exponentiation assignment 2. It means A is equal to A raised to power 2. In other words, A raised to power 2. What is A? It is 15 raised to power 2. 15 into 15, it will be 225. Next, find the final value of D. D is equal to 20. D modulo assignment 8, print D. What is given? D modulo is equal to 8. What it means? It means D is equal to D modulo 8. Here in the case of modulo, we will divide the variable 20 by the figure given on the right hand side 8. D modulo assignment, what is given after that, we will divide the value of the variable with that figure. Then what comes? Here 4 is the remainder. Here when we do modulo, we use modulo operator, we take into consideration only the remainder. So the answer is 4. Next, find the value of x after executing the code. X is equal to 15. X float division 7. Float division assignment 7. Print x. Here it is given. It means x is equal to x floor division 7. What happens in the case of floor division? In the case of floor division, we discard the remainder. Here 15 is to be divided by 7. So here we will discard the remainder. That is one we will not take into consideration. We will take into consideration only this aspect. So here the output will be 2. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.